Hi guys, do you want to create a realistic 3D scene for a commercial or a film but don't know how to start? If that is the case, then I welcome you to Nexttut Education's Environment Creation for Film. My name is Abraham Leal, I am a 3D artist and producer, and I have 8 years of experience in the industry. Currently, I lead my own studio, Critical Hit, where we design and produce projects for the entertainment industry. At the end of this course, you will be able to recreate a 3D environment from a concept. You will understand all the necessary steps to create the different props, sections, lights, and textures needed to get the best possible result for your portfolio. In this course, we will be covering camera matching, prop modeling, sculpting, UV mapping, texturing, rendering with Arnold, cinematic lighting, and post-production. I will start the course by blocking in the scene and getting the proportions right. After that, we will start modeling all the different props and getting them ready for textures. Once all the props are ready, we will UV map them and we will start building the lights for our scene. Finally, we will texture the whole scene and make sure it looks the best before we jump into Photoshop for the final touches of our image. I have designed this course for intermediate level students and artists who want to improve their skills as environment artists in order to create their own scenes from scratch. In this course, I will be using Maya, ZBrush, Substance Painter, Photoshop, and Arnold Renderer, so be sure to have all of them installed to follow properly. Enroll now and take your 3D environment skills to the next level.